DJ talk say you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. Talk say you a walking trophy. And your friends them up. Lady, put it back with tennis. Yeah, you a Lady, put it back with tennis.
Up YouTube, what's up my family? It has been a long time, long journey, everything like that. What I first want to start off by saying, my old subscribers, thank you for sticking it out with me even though I have yet to make a video in about a year or two. Long story, new subscribers, yes, you right there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. When I get to 100 followers, look, we gonna throw a party and everything like that. I'll give you some shout outs. I'll send some gifts, whatever, stuff like that, just to show my appreciation to you all. Trust me, it does not go unnoticed with me and everything like that. I really appreciate y'all for sticking it out. If you are watching this and have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell on the side so you'll never miss this face, because you know this is a face that you never want to miss. And who don't want to follow this Loc'd journey? This Loc'd blessing, okay? If you saw the pictures at the beginning of this video, you see your girl had massive growth each year. I started my locks back in 2017, May 2017. It is now May 2020, and your girl hair is long. You know, you never realize how long your hair is until you actually take a picture of it. When I saw the picture of my own hair, I said, that's me? What? A year worth of hair growth. Come on now. Crazy. But I love this journey. This is a blessing journey for me, and I wouldn't change it for the world. If you're thinking about getting locks, let me tell you, don't stop. Don't think about it no more. Do it. Don't think about it. Don't be like, oh, I don't like it. Do it. You'll never regret it, I promise you. But this is not gonna be a long video. It's really not gonna be that long. I'm just going to admire y'all, admire with me the growth. Like, admire the growth with me. Come on. People. Your girl look good. Anyways, so I'm going to wash my hair today, but I'm gonna do something different. I did it a year back ago before I deployed to Afghanistan. I did the ACV rinse on my hair, so today I'm going to do it again. And I realized doing that rinse really helped my hair out, and it really made it clean and really light. Like, it's light right now, but it made it so much, like, I don't know, it was beautiful, just fresher and stuff like that. I usually wash it in the sink, but people, y'all know when y'all have locks and stuff, it's hard to wash your hair in the sink. So what I did do is I bought this thing off of Amazon. I saw someone with it, and I said, I'm gonna try this. I saw a couple of people on the Facebook groups use this thing right here, and I said I'm gonna try it myself. It's pretty big. I got this off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. It was like $22 or something like that. So I'm gonna use this, and of course, you know, the ACV rinse is with vinegar, baking soda, and lemon or lime juice with water. I'm gonna use lime juice for mine just because that's what I have available. and I don't feel like chopping up my lemons and dashing them in the we don't do that. So yes, I'm gonna do that. And then of course y'all already know my products for my hair. Y'all know the only thing I use in my hair is coconut oil. Anything coconut, that's what I use on my hair. Anything coconut. I don't use no other madness. If it don't got coconut in it, it ain't going to put in this hair. You understand? It's not gonna get put in this hair. But this is the coconut oil I use daily to moisturize my hair. Moisturize it daily, or maybe about 3 to 4 times out of the week, depending on how I feel my hair is, because everybody's hair is different. So, but this is the coconut oil that I use faithfully, and I get my results, you guys. And then this is gonna be my conditioner. I've been using this conditioner for some years now, about 2 years. So this is really good. Of course, I got coconut in it too, you guys. And this is my shampoo that I use. Daily Clarifying. I love this shampoo, you guys. Love this shampoo. 97 cents to $1 and does magic on these locks. Like, clean them, clean up, clean up, clean up. Every day I make clean. Every day clean, okay? This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. But like I said, this video is gonna be short. It's just admiring my 3-year lock anniversary. If you have any questions, anything that you want to ask me about my journey and everything like that, trust me, I have no problem in answering your questions. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you follow me on my social medias. Those will be in a link below. Make sure you follow me on my IG, my Facebook, my Snapchat, and everything like that. And I can answer any question you have. I will do a Q&A one day soon on whatever questions I have. Just make sure you reach out to me so that way you will be including your questions will get answered. Because if you don't ask me no questions or don't leave anything, I can't answer anything for you. And with this journey, I have learned a lot. I have learned really a lot, you guys. I'm just admiring myself right now. Like, girl, you see that? My little gray hairs is in there. But y'all, come on now. Check it out. Just check it out. Alright, you guys, so let's get into this ACV rinse. We will be right back, as in we, my locks. People, so you can see that this water is still not clean, and this is rinse number 3. So to keep this video short, sweet, and simple, I'm gonna make a part 2. So if you want to see the finishing results of this, the wash and the retwist, and possibly the style, make sure you check out part 2 to this video. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another video from me. Until next time, praises always up and blessings always come down. Bye.
Let's go.